delicious.
Wow. Page where I can select the tickets. So.
Yes, yes.
Scalpers in that ticket.
Exactly.
Oh. Oh. This came from the bottom of my lungs. Oh yeah.
Ew.
I survived my first day. Oh yes. Oh god.
Telling me
The Easter. That's where the. That's. Thank you, thank you.
well, like you crouch and look at the floor. What else do I do?
Hey, do you want to get the train? We don't have the.
Can I have a mini car?
Ah, good.
I might be able to fart on command, but something else might come out. Okay. Function.
Wow.
So that too quickly. I need a sibling with me. Exactly.
Slay. If you like. Wow.
Exactly.
The last one.
I did amazing. I'm scared. Exactly.
Oh my god.
Very weird time. You guys were literally.
What the fuck?
Taking an.
There we go. Ah, this one's better. Oh.
The arrow is like.
Okay, there was one.
Fucking convention there that we missed
Something
out.
agreed. Ah, Leo. Give it a big smooch. Actually died, but.
Wrong Kagu.
Oh, is he really gonna just.
Sorry, I'm vegan. It's pretty high.
Oh.
I was outside.
involved, right?
Maybe.
This was the plugins file, so like the plugins got
Oh
messed
my
up.
god.
I kind of want to get shot because
Yeah, I saw.
Oh my god.
Hey, yo.
My beloved Mecha Break is coming out.
What I do is I run away.
Ah.
I am bad. You